Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP data types. So while programming in ABAP, we need to use a variety of variables to store various information. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory, and you may like to store information of various data types like a character, integer, floating point, etc. Based on the data type of a variable, the operating system allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. Elementary data types. ABAP offers the programmer a rich assortment of fixed length as well as variable length data types. The table lists down ABAP elementary data types: byte field X, text field C, integer I, floating point F, tagged number P, text string. Some of the fields and numbers can be modified using one or more names: byte, numeric, character-like. So the table shows the data type, how much memory it takes to store the value in memory, and the minimum and maximum value that could be stored in such type of variables. X 1 byte, C 1 character, N 1 character, numeric text field. Date, T character like date, 8 characters. T character like time, 6 characters. I 4 bytes, F 8 bytes, P 8 bytes. String variable, X string, byte string variable. Example: report data text line type C, length 40, text line equal to a chapter on data types. Write text line, data text string type string, text string equal to a program in ABAP. Write / text string, data D underscore date type D underscore date equal to SY data. Write D underscore date. In this example, we have a character string of type C with a predefined length 40. String is a data type that can be used for any character string of variable length text strings. Type string data object should generally be used for character like content where fixed length is not important. The code produces the output: a chapter on data types, a program in ABAP 12092015. The date type is used for the storage of any date information and can store 8 digits. Complex and reference types. The complex types are classified into structure types and table types. In the structure types, elementary types and structures, that is, structure embedded in a structure, are grouped together. You may consider only the grouping of elementary types, but you must be aware of the availability of nesting of structures. When the elementary types are grouped together, the data item can be accessed as a grouped data item, or the individual elementary type data item structure fields can be accessed. The table types are better known as arrays in other languages. Arrays can be symbol or structure arrays. In ABAP, arrays are called internal tables and they can be declared and operated upon in many ways when compared to other programming languages. Table shows the parameters according to which internal tables are characterized. Line type or row type. Row of an internal table can be elementary, complex or reference type. Key specifies a field or a group of fields as a key of an internal table that identifies the table rows. A key contains the fields of elementary types. Access method describes how ABAP programs access individual table entries. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP data types. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.